Hello and welcome to the Magic Pen. My name's Andrew and this is
Yuli.
And today we're going to be doing some tutorials on how to draw a
Robot.
Excellent. Okay then, shall we start? Okay. Right, so in the middle of the page, about there.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we're going to draw a square. Can you draw a square?
Yes.
Okay, so let's draw a square. Well, if you can draw a square, and you can draw a robot, because the whole thing is going to be drawn out of squares and rectangles. Excellent work. Wow. Okay, so just measure up a little bit. So imagine it was like in quarters. So just from here, we'll draw a line along there like that, and then we're going to draw another rectangle inside our square. So this is going to be the control panel for the robot, and that's where we're going to see all the electronic computer equipment inside that powers the robot. So we're going to do a line like that and a line like that, so we've got like 3 bars. Well done. Well done. Okay, and then we're going to do a bit in the middle, going down like that. So kind of basically we've got a window. Yeah? And now can you draw triangles and circles? Okay, so inside we're going to draw some triangles and circles. So I'm going to do a triangle there and a triangle there. Can you do that? Okay, I'm going to do a circle there and a circle there. Okay. Now let's do a line down and a line down, like that. And we'll do some lines like a ladder either side, like that. Really good work. Okay, and then on the top, let's do a triangle going down like that. Yeah? Yeah, an upside down triangle. Perfect. Yep. And then we'll do some more circles just there. So should we do the head next? Yeah. So just up here, do a little line there and a little line there. So this is for the neck.
Here?
Yeah. And there. Perfect. And then we'll just draw a line straight across like that. Excellent. So now we're going to draw another square. Draw a square. Like that. Really good. Now it's going to have some ears, so we're just going to do a little rectangle either side for his antenna. That's really good. Okay, now can you draw a backwards L? A letter L, but the other way around, backwards. That way. So we go out like that and then up like that. Okay, really good. And then on the top we do a little circle like that. Yeah, and we'll do another one on the other side. Do you want it to be all bashed up and bent up?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we go out, and then when we go up, we do it a little bit wiggly like that. Okay? That's really good. Okay, that's better than my one. Yeah? And then do the circle on the top. Okay, yeah. So on the top here, we do another little line there, and another little line there.
Oh, it's going to have 100 pens.
No, this is like it's robot hair, okay? And we draw a line across the top like that. Now, can you draw a skinny M? Okay, we're going to do a lot of little skinny M's at the top. So we go up, down, up, down, up, down, like that. Keep going. That's amazing. Okay, so now we're going to do its eyebrows and its nose. So we're going to do like a letter T. So I'll go across like that, down, along, up, across, and then up. Do that? Yeah, like a block. Yeah, like a bubble letter T. That's the best way of describing it. Much better. Okay. Right. Now, can you draw a circle there and a circle there? That's good. And then inside, we're going to draw another little circle and another little circle. Okay. Now, I think we should put the teeth here, where I was going to put the neck, because you don't have a lot of them there. So let's just do some lines like that. Cool. Okay. Now we're going to have to draw what connects your legs to your body. Your hips. Yeah? So it's going to need some hips. So do you remember how we drew that bubble T? We're going to do another one, but it's just going to be a little bit wider at the top. So down like that, and down like that. Can you do that? And then we're going to take it across, and then down, across, up, and across like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do a couple of lines in there like that. Kind of a bit like a belt, and then we can go down, across, and up. Okay. And then we'll just do two little lines like that. Okay. And then I might put a little bit of a line underneath. Okay. So should we do the legs now? Okay, so we're going to draw a rectangle in this space here, like that. So it's going to end about there. Sit still. Let's draw two lines coming down like this.
These are like trousers.
Yeah. And on the other side. Yeah. Okay, now I'm also going to put like a little square on the side, which is the joint where the legs are touching the hips. Okay, so just put a little square on that side and a little square on that side. Or a little rectangle there, that's good. Now for the knees, we're going to do like a bigger square. And we want it to be slightly bigger than the legs. Okay, so it just sticks out a little bit like that. Very good. And then in the middle of those two lines of the trousers, we're going to do another little line there and there. Okay, and then should we do another little rectangle or square just there for the knee joints. That space. You've got lots of space, okay? So let's go and draw another rectangle down there and another rectangle down like that. So those are the shins. And then let's do those two stripes again, either side of the middle point. So it looks like there's a joint on the legs. So just see the middle line there? Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Okay, and now for the feet, we're just going to do two big boxes. Again, we're going to go in a little bit, but out a bit wider, like that. Okay, so it just comes out a little bit out that side. So it's not bang in the middle. Really good uni. And then should we do another little rectangle underneath, for like the soles of his metal shoes. Okay, we're nearly done. What we need to do now is we need to do the arms, don't we?
I already know how to do robot arms.
How do you do robot arms?
So, I want to do them my own way.
Okay, let's see how you do it. Oh, that is very good. That is like C-3PO from Star Wars. Oh, you're giving it fingers. I was just going to give mine pincers, but that is very cool. There's screws on there. Okay then, so now we're going to follow Yuli's technique and we're going to do the arms like this. So we've got a circle in here, have we? And a circle here. And you've got like a diamond inside the circle. And what did you do? You did a circle inside the diamond. And you did some circles above. Are these the rivets? And then, oh, you did a rectangle on each end for the wrists. And you put dots for the rivets. I love those hands. Those hands are amazing. Right, so we're doing little rectangles like that, and then we're doing a rectangle sticking out like that for the thumb.
And then you can
Yeah? Okay. So then we're going down, across, and up, and down, across, and up. Okay. And then what do we got? Oh yeah, so we're joining up the fingers so they're separate.
Space you can.
Yeah. And then there's room for little dots. That is a top technique. Okay, so you think we're all done?
No, like you have to do like that.
What have I done? Oh, well done. Yeah, so you're absolutely right, because on your fingers you've got different joints, haven't you? So I've only done it, his fingers could only move like that. So I need to put some more joints on. Okay, so if I do some little squares on the end. Yeah. That's very good detail in there. Well, that's amazing. Okay, so now shall we colour it in? Well, what an amazing robot. Well done. Thank you very much, Hewley. I hope you had fun and you enjoyed our tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any comments and suggestions, can you drop them in the box below. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna be like a robot singer.
Bye.